Hello and welcome. In this video I will be making stamps and using them to make wrapping paper out of the packing paper that comes every time you order something small and they decide to put it in a box 4 times too big. So here's what I'll be using. Packing paper I managed to hide from my crazy cat. Pencil and paper for sketching ideas. Paint and poster pens, you can use ink if you have it. Glue, I used Pritt stick as it dries quickly. Scissors, card and foam sheets that are often found in the kids' art and craft sections. I found mine in my cupboard. I've no idea how it got there. I'd already sketched my ideas and thought I'd start by just cutting out this balloon shape by eye. I obviously didn't think it important that you watch me do it though, as I forgot about the camera. Go me! Now I'm using the pencil to make indentations for details on the stamp. I didn't want to risk the pencil marks transferring, so I switched to a ball stylus after this, but you can use a ballpoint pen if you don't have one. There's the ball stylus. And here you can see what I'm up to a little better. I need to work on that, don't I? I do have a bad shoulder at present, and reaching forward is painful, so I'll blame it on that. Finally starting to get it. These stamps don't need to be perfect, just go for it and have fun. With this one, I drew on the foam before cutting it out. Then turned it over to make the indentations for details. Moving on to the Christmas stamps. Again, just straight to cutting it out. It didn't go exactly to plan, so I made it a curvy, leaning Christmas tree. Like I said, they don't need to be perfect. Drawing on the foam again to make a bauble stamp. What do you think this one's going to be? Now to stick the foam pieces to strips of card. I left the strips wider to one side to make the stamps easier to hold. Time to stamp. Here, I've used a small piece of the paper to demonstrate. But obviously use a piece big enough to fit whatever you're wrapping. I found the acrylic paint dried too fast to use it like you would an ink pad, so I just painted it on each time instead. Trying out some metallic paints. Nothing has bled through to the back. Perfect. Playing around with the birthday stamps. Trying out the Posca pens to add details. Finished. Now to wrap something up. I just grabbed whatever was nearby. You get extra points for not using tape. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video, and I hope you wrap your presents in packing paper this Christmas. If not, please buy wrapping paper that can be recycled. Goodbye.